In how many of the following species the central atom possesses sp3 hybridization with pyramidal shape? In other words, there should be sp3 type of hybridization on the central atom with 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair of electrons. Then it will have what is called pyramidal shape. So when we go for 1 XeOF2. So in XeO2, this central atom xenon is a 8th group element and thereby 2 monovalent fluorines are there. So 8 plus 2, 10 by 2, it is sp3d type of hybridization. Therefore, it is ruled out. So 1 is wrong. Then we have second one, PO4 3 minus. In PO4 3 minus, the central atom phosphorus has got what type of hybridization? Central atom being 5th group element 5 plus 3 negative charges 8 by 2, 4, that is sp3 type of hybridization. And in PO4 4 bonded oxygens are there. So all the sp3 hybridized orbitals are used up and there is no lone pair of electrons on the central atom. Therefore, this is also wrong. So PO4 3 minus is tetrahedral but not pyramidal. Then we have the third one, ClO2 minus. The 7th group element plus 1 negative charge 8 by 2. So there is sp3 type of hybridization. But this is the one, 2 oxygens being connected, it will have a V shape like that of water. But we want pyramidal shape. So therefore option 3 is ClO2 minus is not pyramidal. Therefore this is wrong. And fourth one we have is XeO3. Xenon is a 8th group element, 8 by 2 sp3 type of hybridization. And out of 8 electrons, 6 electrons are involved in forming bonds with oxygen and 1 lone pair is there. So 3 bond pairs, 1 lone pair. Therefore it is pyramidal in shape. Thus fourth one is the right option, XeO3. Then we have NCH3 taken thrice. Fifth one, it is very similar to NH3. Only the difference we find is instead of hydrogens we have methyl groups. So nitrogen 5th group element 5 and each methyl group is monovalently bonded to nitrogen. So therefore 5 plus 3 by 2 sp3 type of hybridization on the central atom. And these methyl groups are connected to nitrogen with one single covalent bond involving a lone pair of electrons. So 3 bond pairs are there and 1 lone pair is there with sp3 type of hybridization. Therefore it is pyramidal in shape and hence fifth one is the right option. And sixth one is xenon difluoride is given XeF2. Xenon is 8th group element, 2 monovalent atoms, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 by 2, 5, sp3d hybridization. And this xenon difluoride with 2 bond pairs and 3 lone pairs is linear in structure. So therefore it is not the correct option. Sixth one is wrong. And chlorate ClO3 minus. In ClO3 minus, chlorine is a 7th group element plus 1 negative charge 8 by 2 sp3 type of hybridization is there. So out of 7 plus 1 8 electrons, 6 electrons are already involved in bonding with 3 oxygens. Therefore there are 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair in this and hence it is pyramidal in shape. Thus it is the right option, 7th. Then we have SO3 2 minus. In SO3 2 minus, sulfur is a 6th group element with 2, 8 by 2 sp3 type of hybridization is there. So out of 8 electrons, 3 bond pairs are there and 1 lone pair is there. So total 8 electrons and once again it is pyramidal. And if you can observe the above ClO3 minus and below sulfite SO3 2 minus, chlorine to sulfur 1 electron is reduced and 1 negative charge has become 2 negative charge. 1 negative charge is increased. Thereby total number of electrons in the valence shell of the central atom is same and hence same type of hybridization and same structure. So 8th one is correct. Then we have PF3, 9th one. In PF3, 5th group element is the central atom phosphorus and then we have 3 monovalent fluorines, 5 plus 3, 8 by 2, 4 sp3 type of hybridization. And the central atom phosphorus is connected to 3 fluorine atoms like in ammonia It is the 3 and then the lone pair of electrons. So therefore again we find 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair, therefore pyramidal shape. So ninth one is right. The next one is XeO2F2. 10th one, XeO2F2. Xe8 plus 2 monovalent fluorines 10 by 2, sp3d type of hybridization. So but we want sp3 type of hybridization, therefore it is wrong. And it has got seesaw structure rather than pyramidal structure. So 10th one is wrong. So thus we have how many species with sp3 type of hybridization and the shape is pyramidal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore the answer is 5.